three dependencies I have added. After that, I have created controller package, service package, model package, repository package on top of base package.
Base package.
Clear?
Yes,
On
sir.
top of base packages, I have created controller, model, repo service. Why? Because Spring Boot looks for the classes which are there inside the base package and on top of the base package. So if you are creating the class, if you are creating the control class in any other package, request should not reach. This is the way they have designed. So Spring Boot always looks for the classes which are there inside the base package and on top of the base packages. So here controller is the package on top of base package.
Base package.
Model is a package on top of base package.
Base
Service
package.
package have created on top of base package. Repo have created on top of base package.
Yes.
Any doubts here up to this? Everyone?
No, sir.
All right. So now I'm going to start the database configuration. So yeah, please. So all the configuration related stuff should go inside which class? Application dot properties.
Model.
Application, not property. So in JDBC, how to create the class, connect the database? We're using class dot for name and driver manager. There are so many things we have done, right?
Yes, sir.
But here, you can copy the code from my chat box. Copy the code from the chat box.
Copied, sir.
You can go to application properties.
Yes, sir.
After line number 2, paste.
Pasted.
Okay. This configuration is enough to interact with the database.
Sir,
So this
I need to
is
change the
called Spring
password.
Data JPA. Hello.
Sir, I need to change this password, right, sir?
Yes, you need to change the password and DB name also.
Yeah, DB name also.
So it is called Spring Data JPA. Spring Data JPA will provide you predefined keys. See, here we're not using any class for name and we're not using driver manager, gate connection, anything. We are not using anything. Simply, we're doing the database configuration inside which file?
Application.properties.
Application.properties.
Yes.
This is the Spring Data JPA URL. This is your MySQL URL and username and password. And here we are using dialect means which version of MySQL you are using. Can you maximize which version of MySQL you are using? And when I say DDL data update, automatic table is going to be created. In JDBC, you have to create the tables manually, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in JDBC, you have to create the tables manually. But here, Spring Data JPA will take care of creating the tables. So when I say update, this is Hibernate. So this is Hibernate. Even if you use pure Hibernate, there are a lot of XML files. In XML files, we have to write the configuration. And we have to write the mapping files. But here, we are not doing anything. Simply, we are using URL, username, password, MySQL version. The update means even we are not going to create the tables. Automatically, Hibernate will take care of
Those things.
those things. Clear? So these are the standard steps. And what is the purpose of Hibernate?
Create a relation between Java objects and database tables.
Correct. So here, if you use entity classes, even we don't need to create the tables. So you have to map your Pojo class to the table name, properties to the column names of the tables. Let me send you one model class. see. Go to chat box. I'll share that code. Come down. Okay, where it is? Oh, same. Okay, same thing. Yeah, now you got it. Copy the entire class. No, from here, from package.
Copy it, sir.
Copy that. Go to Eclipse.
Yes, sir.
Yes, go to model class. Create one class with the name employee. Class with the name employee. Employee, okay, employee model is fine. You finish. You
Yes,
can
sir.
save, paste this code. Line number 3 to 5, remove. Line number 3 to 5.
Mr. President.
Paste it, right? Now save it. Why? What is the issue? Because you have commented the
Yes, sir.
line number 2. Line number 2. Remove the package. This is not, remove the entire package. This is not your package, right?
Yes.
Yeah, remove the package. And also change the class name. Left side, what is the class name we have? Employee model. Here, but here, what is the class name?
Employee.
Just change the class name. Yeah, change the class name. And why you got this exception? Save it. Because you have commented the JPA related dependency, right? Can you go to
Yes.
format XML?
Yes, sir.
Comment those two dependencies.
Yes, sir. I can.
Uncomment. Your comment is dependencies. If your comment is dependency means how the classes will be available.
Yes, sir. MySQL also, sir.
MySQL also. Because now we are going to interact with the database, right?
Yes, sir.
Now go to employee model. Most of the errors will go out. Can you see? Come down. Come down. Employee first name, last name, email.
This model.
Model. Constructors, right?
One.
Constructor. Yes. Parameters and second. Now, sir, let me tell you what is the purpose of this. So, what this is a Hibernate ORM framework. This is Hibernate ORM framework. This is called entity class. What this class will do? It will map once it go up, please. Go up.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It will map this. What is a model class? What Pojo class? It will map your Pojo class to this table, employees table. So if you save employee model object, it is going to be stored in which table?
Employees
Employees
table.
table. To make this class as entity, which annotation you have to use?
@entity.
Entity. So Java persistent API. Okay. And to make this, those are dependencies only. All these classes, all these annotations available inside this package.
Okay.
Yeah. Entity, what this will do? It will create the table in the backend, and also it will map this employee model class to the employees table. And to make, what is primary key? Primary key we
ID.
have
It's a
only
ID is
unique values. ID is the primary key. And what are the properties we have? First name, last name,
email ID.
email ID. There are 3 properties. So for the first name is a property. For the first name, we are going to map it which column? First underscore name. For last name property, this property is going to be mapped with which column? Last underscore name. Email ID is the property. This property is going to be mapped with which column?
email ID underscore ID.
Email underscore ID.
Email underscore ID.
Okay. So if you want to keep properties and columns as same, you can remove column annotation. Are you getting?
Yes,
If
sir.
you want to keep the properties and column names are same, you can remove the column annotation. And also, if you want to keep table name and class name same, then you can remove table also. But make sure entity is mandatory. So if you want to use class name and table name as same, you can remove which annotation? Table. If you want to keep properties and columns are same, you can remove column annotation. Any doubts in this class? So ID means it will generate the primary key. This column will act as a primary key.
Yes.
Those primary keys automatically generated with the help of generated value. And to map your project class to the table name, you have to use implies. Properties to the columns, you have to use column. Means if I save employee model object, it is going to be stored in which table?
Employees.
Employees table. Just for mapping purpose. In the front end, from the front end, if you are going to from the Springboot, if you are going to save employee model object, those data are going to be stored into employees table. So this class will be responsible to generate the tables and columns. Is it clear?
Yes,
How
sir.
this class is going to be generated? Go to application properties. Go to application properties.
Yes,
Application
sir.
properties, we have mentioned update, right?
Yes,
Auto
sir.
update means automatically it is going to be created. Now go to your DB and see, do you have any table with employees?
Before that, there is a
No, first see. First cross verify. If you have the table, you can change it. We'll change another name. User DB you are using it. Can you please check the tables instead of the user DB? Explain the user DB. Explain the tables. We have only one table. Don't have employees table, right? And now run the application. Minimize this users table. Minimize users table. Okay, now run the application and see. How to run the application? Yes, you can run it normally.
Yes, sir.
Now, they started. They started. Now go to database and see whether the table is created or not. Also see.
Sir.
Go to MySQL workpage. Go to database and see whether the table has been created or not. Refresh. First refresh. First refresh. Refresh the DB. No. DB is simple. Right click and use the DB. Right click and use the DB. Refresh. Refresh all.
Yes. Yeah, great.
Now can you see the table? Created,
Yes,
right?
sir. Table
You
created.
see the you see the car. To see
Sir,
the
your voice breaking for me, sir.
no to see the columns chat.
No, your voice is not audible.
Keep the current use guys.
Sir, not getting you, sir.
1 second, guys. Keep the cursor and empty.
Sir, your voice.
Go to my
Yes, sir.
once. Keep the cursor.
Sir,
Third one.
sir,
Third one. 1 second.
Sir, your voice is so breaking, sir.
Maybe can you show the application properties?
yeah.
1 second. Yeah. Now can you go to MySQL database?
Yeah, sir.
MySQL database.
Yes.
Yeah, keep the cursor on employees
Yes, sir.
and right side we have third icon. Third icon.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Click that. Click that. Now it is can you see? ID, email underscore ID, first underscore name, last underscore name.
Yes,
Can you
sir.
see the columns?
Yes, sir.
So automatically columns has been created, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 1 second.
Sir, can you just come up with the code once again?
Yeah. This is shared in the chat also.
I
Okay,
didn't
guys.
sir, can
Is
you
it clear?
explain the
So
employee
what is the
model
purpose?
code once again?
Yeah, can you go to model class?
Yeah, just recapitulate it.
Yeah, model class. Just it for mapping purpose. So it will map employee model class to the employees table. Okay, and it will map first name property to this column and last name property to this column. Email ID property to this column. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Just mapping. And if you want to keep first name and property and column same, then you can remove a column annotation. And in the below we have only getters and setters.
Okay.
Okay.
Earlier in the JSP, we are manually creating the table and fetching it to the Java application. But here we are creating with the classes and we are mapping it to the data tables.
Sir, what is NTT?
The entity is a annotation. Entity is the annotation. To make this class as entity, you have to use entity annotation. So in Spring in control class,
Sir, your voice is breaking.
in control as how to mobile connected to mobile. That's the issue.
Still breaking, sir.
So make class, guys, I told you, I've joined to the power. So to make this class as a controller, we can have just tell me to make the class as a controller, which annotation we have used?
REST controller.
Is it? Controller. The same way, go to entity class. To make this class as an entity, So we have used entity is nothing but persistent. Persistent is nothing but like constant means hibernate terminology. Persistent is nothing but the objects which we are going to store into the database. Okay, to make this class as
like we using REST controller for the control table, we have to use entity for model table.
model, correct. Okay, to make this class as a model, to make this class as an entity, we have to use which annotation? Entity annotation.
Yeah.
Okay. Configuration we have done in application.properties. We have done the configuration. Done. Now I'm going to store every first name, last name, email on the front end. But here we don't have front end, right? This way I'm going to store the record in this man.
Sir,
No.
your voice is breaking.
Okay. Guys, can I join to WhatsApp call? Is it everyone is available? And I will explain you by seeing the code.
In the WhatsApp call.
That's why I'm telling you guys that power issue is going on. So I'm connected to the mobile. The power issue is going on from morning. So I've connected to the mobile.
Okay. Sometimes it is audible, sometimes it is breaking.
Yeah,
In the middle it is breaking. We are not getting you.
Okay, no issues. But still now, any doubts? As of now, any doubts? No. Yeah, please share your screen.
Can I stop?
Yeah, please stop it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, it's visible. Okay. Run the application. Yeah, started, right? Okay. Okay. The thing is, go to control class. You have not given the proper path. Control class. Double click on console.
Perspective.
Perspective, reset perspective. Partha.
Double click on console. Now go to control MPI controller. Right click fish controller. API. API only you have given, right? Can you go there? Postman. API fetch. Can you go back? Can you go back to Eclipse?
Sir,
This is the base
localhost and colon, right, sir? Yeah, missed the colon, I think so, in the post.
Can you go there? Yeah, colon, localhost colon 8085, right? Basics. Okay. Yeah. Now click on send. We'll get it. See, it's colon. So I didn't observe that. So baby, can you please share your screen?
Yes, sir, sharing.
When the power will come.
Sharing.
Any doubt test? Yeah. Any doubt how to interact with database? Very simple. To interact with the database in application.properties, go to application.properties. Go to application.properties, David. Please go
Yes.
to application.properties.
Yes.
Application.properties. So this is the configuration to interact with database. Okay. And to create the tables, we have to create entity class. Can you go to employee model? Okay. So to create the tables, we have to use this entity class. Now, the next task is I'm going to show the records from the postman because we don't have front end, right?
Yes, sir.
Hello. We don't have front end, right? So I'm going
Yes,
to
sir.
paste my application from the postman.
Okay.
Okay. Now go to control class.
Yes, sir.
Okay. To save the record, which annotation we have to use post mapping. To get the data, we have to use get mapping. To update the data, we have to use put. To delete the data, we have to use
Delete.
Delete,
method.
sir.
delete. To update the data, we have to use
Update.
post.
Sorry,
Sorry,
post
put.
method. Put method. Yeah.
To save the data, we have to use post.
Yes.
To fetch the data, we have to use.
Get method.
Okay. Now here, what you can you need to create post mapping. You can change this. Instead of get, you can change to post. At
From
line number
network-
14, you can change to get post. At line number
Okay.
14. So because we are going to save the record. Save. Yeah, input that. Now instead of fetch, you can use save. Save.
Saved, sir.
Yeah, at line number 15, you can use save instead of fetch. Because this method to save the record, right?
Sir, your voice is not proper.
At line number 15.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Can I connect after getting the power?
Yeah, sure, sir. After lunch break, we'll connect, sir.
Correct, but before that, please complete this one.
Yes, sir.
Instead of fetch, you can use save. At line number 15, you can use save, right? Save. Type save.
Okay.
Okay, fine. At line number 16, so what you can do, you can use request body instead of the bracket. The bracket type request body at the rate request body. At the rate request body. So now this is a straightforward, guys. Request body. Space. What is your model class?
Employee model.
Yeah. Create object for that. MODL.
Yes, sir.
So automatically SPRINGBOOT will take care of creating the object. Okay, now it's fine. Now instead of return string, you can return employee object, employee model. Now at line number 16, you can use employee model. At line number 16, you can first import those annotation
Imported, sir.
and import this model class also.
Yes, sir.
And instead of string, you can return employee model.
Yes,
At
sir.
line number 18, at line number 18, instead of string, return employee model object, employee model class.
But
At
it
line
is
number 18. At line number 18, instead of string, type employee model.
okay. Class
Employee
name
model.
or object name?
Class name only, right?
Yes, sir.
Now you can pass this entire model to the service method. You know, right, how to call the methods
Yes,
as
sir.
object. You can pass this object to the service.
But can't get used.
Time out. I will explain this. Just wait. Okay. As a parameter, you can use employee model as a parameter.
As a parameter, sir.
Yeah, as a parameter only, right? As a parameter. No.
Okay,
Remove line
okay.
number 6.
Got it. Sir.
See, here only basics only. Code Java only. Where it's rating the object, not more than that. Employee model space. Yeah. Okay. Now input that.
Yes, sir.
Put. Save it and go to control class. And we can pass that object as argument. Because this method is expecting employee object, right? Employee model.
Yes, sir.
Plus add argument, employee model. See, this is code Java, not more than that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Up to this, any doubts? Okay, right. And now go to service class.
Sir.
Go to service class.
Yes, sir.
Service class.
Yes, sir.
So to make this class a service, we have to use @service annotation. On top of this class, we can use @service. Import service.
Done, sir.
Can't
If you are
get
done
this.
with one floor, remaining is very simple. Now you can create one repository interface.
Sir.
Go to repo package, create one interface. EMP repo interface.
Yes, sir.
Create one interface. Employee repo.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Finish.
Yes,
To
sir.
make this class a repository, you have to use @repository. I will explain all these annotations, guys. First, try to understand the flow. Okay. It's a very simple flow.
Yes, sir.
Good. And after repo implements, line number 6. Line 6 after repo implements, space implements JPA. Control space JPA repository.
No default form.
So extension, not
Yes, sir.
extend. Extend
Caps lock is on.
is small units.
Yes.
Extends JPA. Extend JPA repository. Type R.
Yeah. This one, sir.
Yeah, correct.
What is this?
Type employee model. Model. Employee model.
Yes, sir.
So that import is
Sir.
and ID long. Don't
Long.
type long. And import this model.
Yes, sir. Doing it. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now go to service. Go to service.
Yes, sir.
Here you can use with the help of auto while you can get the object of employee report.
Sir.
At line number 9, you can create the template repo with the help of auto while.
Okay.
Delete auto while. Enter.
Yes.
Enter. Create object of employee repo. Base employee repo. Now, in here, this instead of string, you can return employee model. At line number 13, instead of string, return employee model. Yes. Here, you can return employee model. Line number, okay. Small emp model.
Yes, sir.
Okay, save it. Right? Now save it.
Save.
Now coding. Stop the application. You stop the application. You
Yes,
stop
sir.
the application. I will
Stop.
explain no again. Now control class, employee controller. Now it is written string, right? Remove the string. At line number 19. At line number 19, remove the string
Yes, sir.
and remove this. What that method is returning? Method is returning employee model, right?
Employee, sir. Employee, sir.
Employee model, yeah.
Yes, sir.
And then this remove employee service.
This one. Okay.
Or you can do, yeah, type EMP model 1,
Sir.
type EMP model. What are basics only here? So this is returning employee model, right? You should return employee model only.
Okay.
And you can employee 1.
Yes, sir.
Return employee model 1. Return employee model 1.
Yes, sir. Ready.
Okay. Okay, you can add the debug at line number 19.
Yes, sir.
You can add the debug at line number 19 and go to service.
Yes, sir.
Now go to service. You can add the debug.
Sir.
Now here, employee repo dot at line number 14.
Yes, sir.
Employee repo dot EMP. Employee repo dot we have save method. EMP repo dot e small.
Yes, sir. Report.
Employee repo dot
Save.
save method. We have save method.
This one, sir.
Can you say save method? Yep. Yes.
Yes,
This is
sir.
expecting entity, right? So that's why we are passing employee model entity. Pass employee model. Is expecting entity update.
Yes, sir.
Employee model. Save it.
Save. Sir.
Hello. Okay. So you have done the coding thing. Now we'll enter the records from the postman.
Okay.
Okay. We'll save the records from the postman. Open the postman.
Right.
Sir, getting errors.
Yes, sir.
Open. Select save. Instead of get, select save.
Sir.
Instead of get, you can select save method. Save method. So post method. Post.
Yes. Yes, sir.
And what is the path? Okay, guys, if you follow the steps, actually, I think
Which
you
path?
are doing some silly mistake. Which
Sir,
path you have to give? Tell me. Go to employee controller. Go to employee controller
save, sir.
and controller save. Right? First
Yeah.
controller, then slash save. Controller slash save. Okay,
Yes.
we have to insert the data, right? For that, go to headers. Here, in the below, can you see headers?
Yes, sir.
Insert in the data.
Yes, sir. I can.
Here in the key application content type. Type content will give you automatically. Content type in the below you can see in which format you are going to send the data. You have to mention here. Content type, value application JSON.
Sir.
Application JSON. Just click, it will give you. Double click in the value text box.
Yes, sir.
Type of application JSON. So it means we're mentioning that which format you are sending.
Yes, sir.
Clear, right? Now go to body. Body.
Yes, sir.
Chef, can you go to body? Well,
Yes,
body,
sir.
right? It should have come like this. Raw, select raw,
Yes, sir.
JSON. Okay. So
Yes,
now you
sir.
can give the data in the form of JSON. Double. So what are the fields we have?
ID, first name,
Give the
last name.
values. For ID, automatically value will be generated. Give the
Yes, sir.
values. What are the can you go to the class and see the properties?
Yeah.
Don't do spelling mistakes.
Okay.
Type model. First name, last name, email ID. No, properties. Properties. We are going to store the properties. If you
Yes, sir.
columns are just for mapping. If you save the data for first name, it is going to be stored into first underscore name column.
Yes, sir. Okay, okay. First name, last name,
Yeah,
email
first name,
ID.
last name, email ID. After that, colon in double quotes. Okay, same comma, last name. Comma, email ID. Okay. And now you can go to the Eclipse and run debug mode. Now you can go to Eclipse.
Yes,
Go to
sir.
Eclipse. Run the application debug mode. You know, right? Where to run the application?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, run the application debug mode. And now go to Postman. I think it started, right? Okay, started.
Yes, sir.
Now go to database. So Postman.
Yes, sir.
Now you can send the request from here. Now go to Eclipse.
Yes, sir.
So can you see the value of employee model? Maximize. Request, what request body will do? Request body will capture the data and store it into employee model object. Why? What is the employee model object here? Right side. After request body, we have employee model class. After that, employee model object. I
Yes,
showed you
sir.
this flow, right? You can see
Yes.
values.
Yes, sir.
What request body will do? Request body will capture the values from the postman or front end, and it will be storing into which object?
Employee model object.
It will set the values to the employee model object.
Yes.
Automatically, it will be set. Okay.
Yes.
From here, we're calling the method of employee service. Can you go to F6?
Yes, sir. It came
Now
to
we are in
employee.
employee. 1 second. Can you see the value of employee model again? At line number 13.
Yes, sir.
You can see here employee method. So now JPA repository, we calling the save method of JPA repository. So we're using interface. Interface means inheritance. Inheritance means if I create the object for subclass, we can call both superclass members as well as
Subclass members.
subclass members. So can you go to employee repo? Can you go to employee repo left side from the project explorer? Don't try to click on project explorer. It will display the project. Employee repo. Employee repo.
Yes, sir.
So employee repo is section from JPA repository. Means if I create the object for employee repo, you can call the methods of JPA repository plus
Employee
employee
repo.
repo.
Employee repo.
Means now I'm creating the object of employee repo. Means with the help of this object, I'm calling the save method of JPA repository.
JPA
So
repository.
if you want, can you go inside the JPA repository? You can see with the save method. This is three different class. Can you go inside that? Can you come
Yes.
search for save? Save and flash. We have all methods. Come down. Delete our branch. So we have so many methods here. Okay. Can you go back? So those are three different methods. We're calling the three different methods.
Yes,
So
sir.
when I say save, go to service class.
Yes, sir.
Click on service. So when I say click on that, when I say save, internally insert query will be executed automatically. So here, what is the advantage? So we are using the methods instead of using the queries. We are using the methods. So in future, if you want to change the database, simply you can go to application.properties. You can change the
Method.
database.
Yes.
Okay, simply you can go to application.properties and you can change the database. Because here we're not writing any SQL related queries. We are using the JPA methods.
Yes.
Understood? What is the purpose of JPA? Like we have get by methods, delete methods, find methods. There are so many methods. Instead of writing the queries, simply we are using the JPA related methods. Clear? Now do F6. To make this class a service, which annotation we have used? @service. Yeah.
It went some unknown method.
F8. F8.
Yes, sir.
F8.
Did, sir.
Now see what is the other? Can you explain the console? Go.
Connecting the
Go.
save method.
Cannot invoke employee repo because this employee repo is
Null.
can you go back? Null point exception. Why? Run it normal mode.
Okay.
Run the application normal mode. Stop the application. Please stop the application.
Yeah. So,
Stop the application. And run it normal mode. Oh, 1 o'clock. Huh? Okay.
Sir, explain this after
Run it
lunch.
normal mode.
yes, done, sir.
Okay. Okay, you can go to Postman. A very simple thing, guys. It's a pure Java only. It's not more than that.
Yes,
Go
sir.
to Postman.
Yes, sir.
Send the request. This will run the methods. Run the methods from one layer to another.
Yes, sir. Send it. It's saying 500 internal
Now you can
server.
send the request.
Send it, sir.
Same, right? Yeah.
It's saying 500 internal server error.
ID. Can give the ID value. ID also. You can give the value for ID also.
Let me check the name.
Employee Okay, ante देखो. I caps. I caps, right?
Small only, I think.
In class will say. Okay, now send the request.
Yes, sir. It's small only.
Yeah, small only.
Same error, same.
Yeah, understood. Can you go to Eclipse once?
Yes, sir.
Go to service class. Employee service.
Yes, sir.
Employee depot. Employee depot just save.
Yes, sir.
Now run the debug.
Sir.
Debug now. We're getting the data, then why? Stop the application and start it.
Yes, sir. So for now, can I change the port number, sir? And run the application again? Hello, sir.
Still the same issue.
Same issue. No same issue. I think we came where we stopped debugging.
Okay, I will explain after lunch. Okay.
Okay, sir.